Hey guys, Michelle here from Crazy Busy Beauty. This is going to be a quick video showing you how to use our brand new Touch foundation stick. So these are miracle workers. I'm telling you, I didn't really think I could find anything that I liked better than our other foundation, the liquid foundation, but think about it. You can throw this in your purse. You can throw it in an airline bag. I mean, it's quite amazing. So let me just show you the trick of how I do this, okay? So you just are gonna take 2 lines across your face, one on your chin, and then I just like to do a little X on my forehead, okay? The secret to make this look smooth and I've already put my, of course, I've already prepped my skin for it. So it's got primer, it's got my skincare on, but the other secret is this is the softest brush I've ever used in my life. But see how it's just a soft, fluffy brush, okay? This is the secret. So you're going to just buff it in really fast. I just kind of go in a circular motion and ignore all my silly faces. If you need me to help you to figure out what color you need, I've got great videos on how to find your right color, or just reach out to me. I have a private Facebook group on Facebook called Crazy Busy Beauty, but check that out, guys. You just are taking this beautiful soft brush and you're literally buffing it into your skin. Make sure you're going down your neck so it looks natural. Check out how great the freaking coverage is on that. It's absolutely amazing. I don't even feel like I have anything on my face. Literally do not feel like I have anything on my face. And look at that. No lines. You can go back and use the same brush and you can dip it in your setting powder. It's the same exact brush for that. I love it, which is exactly what I would do. But I need to go and do my eyes, right? So reach out to me if you need anything, and I hope this video tutorial helped you. Mwah. If you need it, go to crazybusybeauty.com. Thanks.